how to send ton coin from wallet to an exchange without losing it. In this video, I'll be teaching you and guiding you on how to send your coins from Tonkeeper wallet or Telegram wallet to an exchange like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin without losing such token or coins. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment as we get started. So there are two things we'll consider in this video. Firstly, what are the tools? What are the tools, or what do you need now to perform this? To do this, to undertake the process without having an issue. That's one. And secondly, the step-by-step guide that you need to take in order to perform this transaction. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. First thing you need is a wallet account. Okay, I'm using Tonkeeper wallet, so this means that my Ton coin, look at it, is on Tonkeeper. I currently have 0.19 Ton. Okay, I have it on the Tonkeeper wallet. Yours may be on Telegram wallet. Okay, but Tonkeeper wallet is a very good wallet. So if you want to create your Tonkeeper wallet, check a guide on the description of this video, and you find it helpful. Okay, so that is the first tool or app that you need. The second app that you need is your exchange app. Okay, or the exchange account is the second account that you need. So I'm using Bybit. You can use Binance, you can use KuCoin, you can use any exchange that is supported by Coin. Okay, but I will use Bybit for this teaching. All right, so we have Bybit and we have Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, so let's look at what are the step-by-step guide that you need to take in order to send coin from wallet to an exchange and convert it to fiat without losing all. Okay, so the first thing to do is to click on deposit. Okay, I'll click on deposit. You can see deposit withdrawal. I'll click on deposit. Okay, so here we have it. So choose coin to deposit. So we are depositing ton we're depositing ton coin, and I've clicked on it. So it will bring all the necessary information that is needed to perform the transaction. Okay, here we have it. So the coin is ton, okay, and the chain is ton. Make sure you don't make mistake. So the chain is ton chain. Okay, look at it. The chain is ton chain. So there may be, in some circumstances, there may be other chains, but make sure you choose or you select ton chain or ton. Okay, so go through this and acknowledge. I will acknowledge, and we'll have our wallet and our memo code. So this is where most people lose money. Most people they use the address without using the memo code. Both are needed in order for you to send not coin or to send ton coin, not coin, or any other coin from um from from wallet, from Tonkeeper wallet, okay, or from Ton chain to an exchange. So you need an address and you need a memo code. Okay, so this is your address and this memo code. The two are important. Okay, now in some cases this memo code is called tag, it's called memo, and in some cases it is called comment. Okay, for example, on Tonkeeper it is called comment. So we'll start with we'll copy this, and okay, we've copied the address. So go to the Tonkeeper wallet and send. Okay, paste the address. Okay, paste the address. Okay, I think, let me try to. Okay, we copy the address. So we click on send. We paste the address here. Then we enter the code, memo code, or comment, or tag 31906. Okay, we have 106 319 and 06. Okay, so like I said, if you don't have an account, okay, an exchange account or Tonkeeper wallet, there's a guide in the description of this video. Kindly go through and be able to create your account, your exchange account, and your Tonkeeper account, and know how to use it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the subscription button, like, and make comment. Okay, we click on continue. So let's assume we are saying 0.05. We are saying 0.05 worth of ton, and we click on continue. Okay, I will confirm. I'll enter my password. Now click on confirm. So voila. So that is what you need to do. And I have sent my ton coin to an exchange correctly by following the correct guide. Okay, if you are able to follow this correct guide, you won't lose your ton coin, or you won't lose your coin when you are sending it from wallet to an exchange. Okay, if you find this video helpful and informative, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with others. It's a video here on how to use Tonkeeper, on how to use Tonkeeper wallet and how to set it up. Check it out and you'll find it useful. Thank you.